Okay.
5, 4, 3, 2.
Hunkydory has come up with a Life of Leisure card kit. Now this is a large Deco kit. Now let me show you what that means. But first of all, you will get an idea sheet with lots of designs. I do want to point out that there are 2 of them that we did not have inserted into this pack. I didn't do the cricket and I didn't do the soccer that they have that they call football, because it doesn't look like that what we have in the US. So these 2 are not here, but all the other 8 are, and there are more ideas on the back. And let me show you what's in this. Now, being a large Deco, that means you're going to get a sheet like this with foil die cuts, and you just pop these out. Then you're going to get a matching sheet that has the imagery, this same image, but in different pieces. So like this is a big one, then this is the next size, then this one, then you get into the other pieces. You also get greetings. The way that you use these is you pop these out, foam tape them over the matching artwork. Now, here's a tip. You can do that, or you could take this one and use that as a base for another design, add this on top of here, and maybe add this one on top of that. You can kind of mix them if you like, in case you're interested in getting more than one card out of each of these sheets. In addition to that, you also get a sheet of the Adorable Scorable, and this is going to be perfect for your card front, your card inside. It's going to work really, really well. So the 3 of those is what you're going to get on every single one of the, let's see, the eight designs that are included in this kit. So this is the first one. Then we're going to do gardening. So the idea behind this kit is that your life of leisure are probably your hobbies. So it's nice because these can be masculine or feminine, and you can see how this is going to play out with all of these. By the way, these are also foiled. And then the Adorable Scorable is not foiled, but it does have the matching artwork, which is just perfect. Whoops, and this one has 2. Okay, then we're going to get into that vintage airplane, which is really fun. And again, you've got lots of pieces. And then there is the Adorable Scorable that coordinates. It's so nice to have everything matching in the same kit. We have more gardening, very, very nice. And this is a more, rather than gardening, it's more growing edibles, so that's good. And then we have a little shed there. Okay. Then we're going to go into a train. Now there's my printer absolutely loves trains, so this is perfect for him. You also have the borders, you've got greetings and so forth, and then here's all of that wonderful foiled die cuts. And then again, we have the Adorable Scorable, just perfect. And then we've got a couple more. This is a shed. So the shed could have gardening. This has a chicken in the front. And we're going, in fact, I think one of the Adorable Squirrels I showed you goes with this one, so, but it does have it. Okay, now we're going to go into a motorcycle. Really fun, very kind of vintage looking. And then we have this. And then we did do the golf. And so you get this, you get all of these that again can stack on top, and then you have the Adorable Scorable. So that's all 8 of the designs. And in addition, you also have the idea sheet. All of this is in the Life of Leisure, a designer Deco large collection by our friends at Hunkydory, and this is exclusively at paperwishes.com.